Hello, beautiful soul. This poem is for you. I wanna hold you close under the rain, my dear. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. Kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you. What's beautiful looking at you in a world of lies. You are the truth, my sweetheart, because I love you a lot. When you tell me, when you tell me that you love me so much, when I'm walking in front of you, when I'm walking in front of you, I'm protecting you. I'm protecting you when I'm beside you. I'm there for you, my dear. When I'm behind you, I'm watching over. I'm watching over you. When I'm alone, I'm thinking of you, my dear heart. I'm thinking of you. I'm gonna fight only for you until your heart stops beating, my dear. What is real and what is not for your heart. What is not for your heart to decide and for your heart to know, my dear, making me happy. That making me happy does not require a lot of effort, my sweet dear heart. Actually, your presence Actually, your presence is just enough for me. Don't promise me. Don't promise me the moon or the stars. The moon or the stars, just promise you shall stay under them with me, my dear heart, because I love you a lot every day, every night. Forever remember, whatever happens for a reason, my sweetheart. Please like and